Hey guys, I just wanted to share one more video or a couple more videos I had. I want to thank Darcy for allowing me to finish this. I don't think I understood quite well enough about the what we needed, so I used six different technologies for one. I guess it counted only as one, so I'm going to do my best here to get through this kind of late. So thank you so much, Darcy, for being kind enough to not dock me too much on that assignment. Anyway, so this technology is cool. I get an email two or three times a week from Newsela. What it does is you can assign this article. It's different articles every day from the news. I would obviously use it for my journalism students. You can go in and assign your students this article. Uh, However, I haven't really signed up too much for it. I just get the emails. But anyway, so it gives you different news articles every day of kind of what's going on. This one in particular is about the volcanoes in Hawaii. Uh, this is important to use for students today because they certainly don't pay attention to the news. Uh, so I'm really I'm really planning to work this into my curriculum uh, next year for my journalism class. Probably spend the first 15 minutes a day with these articles, and we could certainly point out a lot of things journalistic, how to write, uh, what's bad, what's good for these stories. So this is an important tool to use. Just now, uh, haven't really had time to deal with it too much, but anyway, it's here. So hopefully it'll be good. Take care.